Hello guys, welcome back to our channel ns.architect. In this video, we will be discussing about a new plan. In front of me is a 25 into 60 feet ground floor plan. Before going into the details, friends, if you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe it. In the description box, we have also given our Facebook and Instagram links. Follow the pages for further details. So, moving over to the plan. Here we have a 2 BHK ground floor plan which is of 25 feet width and 60 feet of length. We have designed it such that we will have the street over here and we will start over from the main gate. Here we will have the main gate. Main gate is 10 feet wide. Moving in, here we have the roof projection over here which is 2 feet and 6 inches wide. And on entering, we have the car porch area over here. Here we have the car porch which is 10 feet and 9 inches wide. Attached to it, we can see an external staircase. As we move in, here we have the main door D and we directly enter into the lobby or the dining. Lobby or dining over here which is 18 feet and 3 inches of length and 12 feet wide. From the lobby, we have direct entrance towards the drawing room. Here we have the drawing room which is 12 feet wide and 13 feet of length. Near to the drawing room, we see a common external toilet of 6 feet and 3 inches length and 7 feet wide. Here we have the door and the door can be accessed either from the car porch area or from the main gate area. We also have a window over this position of the toilet. Now, moving back to the lobby or the dining, there is a direct entrance towards the kitchen. Here we have the kitchen which is 9 feet and 3 inches of length and 11 feet and 6 inches wide. Here we have provided a gas facility and for ventilation we have provided a window over here. Again, moving back to the lobby, here we have door D1 which opens to the 2 attached bedrooms. So through D1, let's enter to the children's bedroom. Here we have the children's bedroom which is 15 feet and 3 inches of length and 10 feet and 9 inches of width. Here we have provided a window which opens towards the rear open area. Through D2, the door, let's enter into the attached bathroom. Here we have the bathroom which is of 7 feet length and 6 feet width. We have provided a window over here as well. Now, on entering the master bedroom through door D1, the master bedroom is 11 feet of length and 12 feet of width. Here as well, the door D2 opens into the attached bathroom which is of 7 feet length and 6 feet width. Here we have also provided the window. Moving back here, we can see a combined door and window which opens to the rear open area. This is a light ventilation facility we have provided which is of 10 feet width and 7 feet length. There are windows from both the children's bedroom and the master bedroom which opens to the rear open area. So friends, this is it. It's our plan for 25 into 60 feet 2 BHK ground floor. If you guys need any clarification regarding the plan, please leave your comments below. So I hope you like this design. Please like and share the video and also subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching it. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel ns.architect.